E-commerce, start an online store and sell products or services directly to customers. E-commerce has revolutionized the way businesses operate, allowing entrepreneurs to reach a global audience and sell products or services from the comfort of their own homes. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started with your own e-commerce venture. Choose your niche, select a specific product or service category that you are passionate about or have expertise in. This will help you stand out in the market and cater to a specific target audience. Research and source products. Conduct market research to identify popular products within your chosen niche. Consider sourcing products from suppliers, manufacturers, or utilizing dropshipping services. Build your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform that suits your needs, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Customize your store's design, create product listings, and set up secure payment gateways. Develop a marketing strategy, define your target audience, and create a marketing plan to promote your products. Utilize various channels such as social media, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach potential customers. Optimize for search engines. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to improve your store's visibility in search engine rankings. Optimize product descriptions, titles, and meta tags to attract organic traffic. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction by offering prompt responses to inquiries, ensuring smooth order fulfillment and shipping, and providing a hassle-free return policy. Analyze and iterate. Monitor your store's performance using analytics tools and gather feedback from customers. Use this data to make informed decisions, improve your products, and enhance the overall shopping experience. Scale your business. As your e-commerce store grows, explore opportunities to expand your product range, collaborate with influencers or other businesses, and explore additional sales channels like marketplaces or international shipping. Starting an e-commerce store requires dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Stay informed about the latest industry trends, adapt to changing consumer demands, and always prioritize delivering value to your customers. With the right strategies and a customer-centric approach, you can build a successful and profitable e-commerce business.